Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.